Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum salam.
Zainab, can you
Yes.
explain the previous lecture? What we have learned in the previous lecture?
We learned some new emerging technologies.
Yes. And what we have learned?
We learned 3D.
Yes. What was 3D technology?
Uh,
Explain some of them.
yes, we learned that nowadays 3D is used. 3D printing is used to make models of things. Like even it helps in the medical field.
Okay.
Yes. We learned gene therapy,
Okay. Next.
nanotech, cyber security, cyber crime.
Okay. This is 8th level 3 emerging technology and today is 23rd of February 2023 and this is our second lecture of emerging technology. And in this lecture, we will cover the content of 1.2. In our 1.1, we have explained what is emerging technologies and what type of new technologies we are using nowadays. And in 1.2, we will describe the evolution of social media, collaboration, project management, leadership and technology, and digital technology. Also, we will discuss about the evolution of technology in industrial sector. So this is the image of evolution of in social media. So social media has been started from 1978 when internet has been discovered. So in 1978, the first website people used to connect with each other was bulletin board system launched. And in 1985, there was a software which is not named and as up to now 2015 and 2023 we are using a lot of new softwares like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Gmail and much more. Okay. Abdullah, can you tell me what type of new social media website you are using nowadays rather than Facebook, Instagram and Twitter?
We're using Snapchat,
Okay,
TikTok,
fine.
and
And what about Zainab? So, what are the software which you are using nowadays? The social media website.
Pinterest, YouTube.
Okay, Pinterest and YouTube. And how you are going to differentiate it from other social media websites? Why you are thinking that these are more attractive than the other one?
The other one?
Yes, like you are using Pinterest and YouTube now. You have
Yes.
to give me some advantages of these software that why you think these softwares are better than Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat.
because some of app has also the money one. These are the frees and they don't lag also too much.
Okay, what software you are using? You told me that you are using Snapchat, I think. You said
Yes, yes,
Snapchat now?
yes.
Okay. Now, just differentiate Snapchat from Facebook. Why you prefer Snapchat rather than Facebook?
Uh, in Facebook we post things publicly, but in Snapchat we only send to our friend.
Okay, the biggest advantage of Snapchat is that is private software. No one can see your profile or your data without your permission. Okay, that is the biggest example. Okay, now Zainab, you have to tell me why Pinterest is more useful than Instagram because they both are same, no, almost same software.
You get more ideas on Pinterest for what you search. You have a targeted response.
Good. So these are the some examples and evolution in social media that has been started from 1978 to 2015 and up to now. There are a lot of software which we are using, but some has advantages and some have disadvantages. But in emerging technologies, we have to discuss about the latest software which we are using. And we also have to explain them why we are using these softwares and why these are more effective than the other ones. So the next slide is evolution in collaboration. What is the term collaboration mean? Abdullah, what is collaboration?
Doing meeting or things with other people.
Collaboration is basically means
So
working together. When two or more people work together on the same task, they collaborate. Okay, so the importance of moving from me to we. Collaboration means not means that I have to work alone, and I think that all the other species are not more important, but in ecosystem we all are equal and we all have the same senses. But as we all know that humans have the greater mind than the other species, so we work then from moving from me to we. Okay, so in collaboration we have to work together. So then in next slide is what is collaboration in computing. Obviously we are learning about the computer, so we will discuss the term collaboration in computing. Abdullah, read the slide.
In an IT context, collaboration is a situation in which multiple parties converge toward a common goal. The term can be applied to a technology that allows individual or group to work together. This covers a broad spectrum of technology, including social and interactive media and other social platforms.
Okay, explain it. That is just a simple thing, as I have said in previous slide. What is written in this slide?
And it
Explain
is
it.
written there are multiple parties
Yes.
that have common goals, and we work together as a group and do the collaboration and things in like media and
Yes,
social platforms.
yes, you are right. And now Zana will explain the same content.
so collaboration is basically a group the so a group of individuals, they come together to work towards a common goal.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that is same as Abdullah told us that the collaboration will work as working a group of people to accomplish the same task, and talk about the stakeholders as client, partners, and evaluation assistant and data resources. Once a solution has been designed using thinking, it is important to make sure that the solution is fit for purpose. Evaluation is a purpose that allows us to make sure that the solution does the job it has been designed to do, and to think about how it could be improved. Techniques available for assessing the collaborative learning group includes teaching observation during the group regarding the project, and the student regarding and grading each other, to evaluating the levels and contribution made by each team members of the group project. So collaboration is in IT, the term may be used in the way that fits the definition of using technology to achieve the specified goal. Some refers to the collaboration to be recursive process where multiple steps produce incremental progress. Other refer to the specific features of the most collaboration software like chat of instant message feature, presentation and file sharing. In general, the term collaboration is used in IT to talk about the evaluation of group of work resources ever various type of networks structure. These tools help drive more efficient business practices and enhance the global communication in the modern world. For collaboration, we have to the software which we use as Messenger, WhatsApp, and all other software like Zoom is the biggest example of collaboration team during education purpose. And in IT term, we have to talk about that multiple people of a group work on the previous task and different type of network structure, And these are the tool drives that run the business in an efficient way and global communication in the modern world. So since there is a number of methods to evaluate the usability of interactive system, it is necessary to select the reduced set of methods to study. To do this, we have to go through different softwares, questionnaires, interviews, coachings, and constructive interactions. Abdullah, can you give me any collaboration software example rather than Zoom and Facebook, Instagram? The software which is used in collaborative groups.
Emo is there.
Yes.
With Snapchat we can also talk in group also.
Okay. And Zainab, now you have to tell me that which type of software we can use for collaborative groups.
Microsoft Teams.
Yes, Microsoft Team and all the software social media application which we are using nowadays provides us the feature of collaborative groups where we can add multiple people from different fields, different areas, different countries, and they can share their ideas and work upon the common goal. So, evolution in project management. Read the slides, Anab, and explain it. This is simple.
And the importance of project management is important because all organizations, be they small or large, at one time or another are involved in implementing new undertakings. These undertakings may be diverse, such as the development of a new product or service, the establishment of a new production line in a manufacturing enterprise.
Okay, explain it.
So project management is used when is done by any organization when they are implementing something, a new project.
Yes.
Or because the project may have different diverse sectors which have to be worked on so
Good.
that the new service or product can be implemented.
Good. Abdullah, now you have to explain the same slide.
The project plan is kind of important topic. It can be any organization, they are small or
So just
large.
explain the term
Uh,
project management. What is project management?
they manage things and produce new products and service.
Good. Project management is basically management of the project where any type of organization, either that is small and large, they have to go through the same procedure to develop any product. Like if we are running a industry where we have to develop a product, so we have to go through the same cycle. Okay, and the same thing is written in the slide as well. So the development of the product or the service, the establishment of new production line in the manufacturing enterprises, a public relation promotion campaigns, a major building program. These all are the types of part of project management. The development of project management capabilities in organization with the application of information management system allow the enterprise team to work in partnership in defining the plans and managing take to market project by synchronizing team oriented tasks. In project management, the teams are included and the multiple teams work on different goals to accomplish the common one. This allows the cross-functional team to create and share the project information. However, this is not sufficient information. Management system has the potential to allow the project management practices to take place in the real-time environment. As a consequences of this potential project management proficiency, locally and nationally or globally, users are able to concurrently view and interact with the same updated project information and immediately. And the next one is why project management? Abdullah, read the slide and explain it.
There is no doubt that organizations today face more aggressive competition than the past, and business environment they operate to build one. This scenario has increased the need for organizational accountability for private and public sector, leading to greater focus and demand for operational effectiveness and efficiency. They are training the organization nowadays are very aggressive
Yeah,
and then past and business environment they have very highly reviews
good,
and the scenario of private and public sector has increased.
good. On a micro level, organizations are motivated to implement the project management technique to ensure that their undertakings are delivered on time within the cost and budget. Because in our environment, there is a lot of the organizations which are working on the common goals, like different companies are selling the same product. So the competition is very high, and the scenario has increased that the need of organizational accountability for the private and the public sectors. On a micro level, project management combined with an appropriate information, the management system has the objective of reduce project overhead cost. Reducing the project overhead cost means whenever if you want to deliver a successful project, you have to reduce the project cost, because if the cost is very high, the loss may be very high. Customizing the project workplace to fit in the operational style of the project team and prospective team members as well. So the information and executive management of the strategic project on the real-time basis, ensuring that the project team members shares accurate, meaningful, and timely project documents. Why projects fail? Suppose that if you are running a company and you have to develop a project, and after some time the projects get fails, what will be the reason for that? Just said that why the projects fail. Read the slide and explain it.
Okay. Lack of a valid business case justifying the project, objectives not properly defined and agreed, lack of communication and stakeholder management, outcomes or benefits not properly defined in measurable terms, lack of quality control, poor estimation of duration and cost, inadequate definition and acceptance of roles, insufficient planning and coordination of resources. So
Okay, you have to
basically,
explain as well.
the project, the the overview of the project was not written well.
Yeah.
So the cost control and the duration of when it should be finished was not estimated properly. Inadequate supplies or a lack of communication between all the different sectors.
Good. Abdullah, now you have to explain the same content.
And the other two are not properly defined or agreed. The lack of communication, they do not and shared management and chaotic, the lack of chaotic control.
Okay. The evolution of leadership and technology. Abdullah, read the slide and explain it.
Technological leadership encompasses how leader uses technology during their daily duties and tasks while leading the other complete their assigned tasks and duty. Technology enables team leaders to see real time how many tasks a team member has completed. No matter where they are, it enables them to convert any change to work they are performing. An important component of success for management who want to become leader are embracing the technology. Uh,
Yes.
with this technology, leaders check how their workers are doing their tasks or their assigned tasks in real time, how their performance are. If they want, they can change also.
So the technology has not only made it easier for the worker to work independently, but it has also given the manager the ability to supervise from the distance. Technology enables the team leaders to see in real time how many tasks their team members have been completed. That is the biggest advantage of any leadership during technology usage. So the present paper explored the historical evaluation of the leadership theory, which includes four main eras: threats, behavioral, situational, and the leadership. The focus was initially on natural born leaders and identified the threats of the effective leaders. What is the role of technology in leadership? With the help of technology, leader can view the number of tasks accomplished by the team members in real time. It also helps them to communicate any changes in the task they are doing, no matter where they are, and it has brought a good amount of changes in how leaders communicate and deal with their employees. Because in nowadays technology has been included in our projects, so the leader can use the technology to communicate their messages towards their teams, either they are present at their work or not. They can use the distance social media applications to communicate their messages. How will the technology expand the future leader of leadership? The technology can help build team and track progress across division and geographics. With an emerging and connected devices, artificial intelligence and cloud services, there are greater ability for distributed and remote teams to collaborate efficiently and drive successful results. Abdullah defined the term artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence is kind of robot and a human learning language also.
Zainab explained the term artificial intelligence.
It is a computer program, right, that can perform tasks that imitates human intelligence. And an example would be robots, or you can also take in social media AI is used. So it takes in commands and gives us outputs.
Good. How do you achieve technology leadership? To achieve the technology leadership, network with tech leaders and create an organization, promote your organization through social media, understand your long-term goals, work with your community, mentor your employees, encourage innovation and experimental thinking. How technology influences the diversity in leadership. The correct management of diversity is through improved connectivity, employees training, the removal of bias and provision of employee support can be assisted through technology. Collectively, this benefit the overall well-being of employees, providing them with a safe and secure working environment. What are the changes of technology leaders? Doing the dirty work of digital transformation. What is the impact of technology in future? Over time, technology will enable financial stability and disciplines without the need of people to gain relevant knowledge. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will become more consistent and recommending the next investment to next online classes to us thoroughly the growth of financial well-being. What is the role of technology for the success of the organization? The main question which comes again and again, and I have explained this question for so many times, that if we improve the productivity and efficiency, we can achieve the good goals. With the use of technology in workplaces, organization has been able to increase their productivity and efficiency at the rapid pace. Processes there were once manual and time consuming can only be achieved in a quick and efficient manner with the digital tool applications and the systems. Abdullah, you have to tell me that if the one quality, if we implemented that term in our any type of organization to complete the project in a successful manner or in a timely manner. If you are running an organization and someone gave you the task that you have to implement one term in your organization to achieve the successful task or project, then what will you do?
I will create a set with high quality
Yes.
mm, and, and do the communication very nicely.
Okay. Now, Tom, Zana will explain.
Using technology.
Good. And which type of technology will you
Okay.
implement in your organization? Obviously, if you are implementing the technology, you will implement the latest one versions, na? You are not going to implement
Yes.
the previous one which is outdated and not going to work for you, because it will not increase the efficiency and the productivity of your organization. It will obviously it will increase the cost of your organization, and it will directly harm your project production. So you have to implement the latest technologies, obviously the emerging technologies which we are learning today. So, what are the four positive impacts of technology in the workplace? The ability to streamline repetitive process with automation. Like if we are running a company and you implement the technology where the streamline can repeat the task with automation again and again, and very fast, and overhead the cost saving with the remote work and by odd devices, higher employee productivity and satisfaction, the ability to be better serve customers. How technology has improved the workplace. Tech innovation has completely changed the way we collaborate. It is now possible to connect with any of the employee, leader, and colleague anytime and anywhere with a click of the mouse. The dramatic increase in collaboration result a high level of communication flexibility, boosting teamwork to the new level. How technology has made the life better. Using the technology allow you to automate tasks, set up reminder, gather receipts, track investment, compare prices, and much more. With the technology, you won't have to waste your time doing simple financial tasks. With just a few clicks, you can instantly pay your bills. That is the technology nowadays we are using in our houses, that we can build from homes, and we can deliver our food by sitting in our home just by the one click, and that is the good technology because that is facilitating the human beings a lot. The positive impact of technology on jobs. Technology improves productivity and reduce the burden of the worker.